countrymen, for this talk with you, I propose to divide my discussion. The first is I must read the report of the interagency. Kailangan malaman ninyo na ang lahat na ito ay galing ho sa task force na binuo para lang ito sa COVID. But there are things which are not included here or needs to be expounded more thoroughly. Then I will discuss it in the second stage of my talk by just answering the questions that have come to me officially, mga sumbong ng tao through text, and there are about 1,000 really. But we, endeavor to read it so that malaman ng tao kung ano ang nangyayari sa sitwasyon natin ngayon. So, basahin ko yung report ng Interagency Task Force for COVID. I'd like to read it slowly so that everybody is put on notice. There is no room for misinterpretation or maybe a double or what you would call, let me look for the word, I forget, but I'm sure it will come back to me. So first, let me read it. Sabi ko para clear lahat. Galing ito sa task force whose actions would govern the behavior of government, pati ako. Ako the president, so it goes to me, then it goes down to the critical persons involved here. And it is Secretary of Defense Lorenzana and Secretary Anyo of the DILG. Then also critical as the mga manager sa ating economy, pati yung nag-i-implement sa actual distribution. Binigay ko kay General Bautista. Retired na yan sila lahat, all civilians. But I have to have the critical mind of a military sa itong pera. Pag marami yan, pati ako kaya ko yung intindihin about the economy. But yung implementasyon at pagpaunawa kung paano ito gawin, I have faith in these three guys, and I would like them to proceed in a manner that they were trained to act and think, and that is a military trained mind. Our resources through the Bayanihan Heal as One Law has been mobilized, implemented. Yung iba nakatanggap na, yung iba wala pa. So as I go along, try to understand what I'm saying. In the meantime, magdo-double time kami doon sa tinatawag ninyong middle class. How is it defined or arrived at correctly? We will talk about this. May I address myself to the people who have the money now to help, pati yung mga employers. Alam mo, tulungan ninyo ang gobyerno, ang bayan natin. Kasi pag bumagsak ang gobyerno, bagsak kayong lahat. Pero sabi ko nga, I end this with a prayer. Yun ang, gusto ko lang masabi rin ang ano nga sa utak ko para maintindihan rin niyo ako. At sana next time I would talk to you, baka mag-improve na ang situation. Whatever be the correction, kung makorek itong, it's an anomaly sa ating buhay sa mundo. May ganun eh. So, if it can be corrected, lahat naman tayo, we only plead if it's time. He created the world, planet Earth, and if God wants it ended, so be it. Salamat po.